Deputy Chief Minister Gaikhangam says he is MPCC president on temporary basis, insists he will stand by the principle one man, one post policy. 63rd National Film Awards announced. My Pak Sana's Aibu Suyohanbiu wins Best Manipur Film. Meena Longjump's Auto Driver wins Best Social Film Award. Water tanker rams into 4 vehicles at Khabaisoi Mamanglekai. 1 man is killed on the spot while 3 others are injured. Khausabung Subdivision Demand Committee temporarily suspends indefinite ban in Churachandpur. Boycotts Henglep MLA team Manga Wi-Fi for betraying people. And Yaosang Festival comes to an end with Halankar at Sri Sri Bijoy Govinda Temple in Sagolban. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News Bulletin. I'm Tanshmam Sangeeta with top stories and latest news at this hour. Deputy Chief Minister Gaikhangam, who is also the president of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee, today stated that replacement of MPCC president is an internal matter of the party. Interacting with media persons after visiting ailing veteran politicians and former Chief Minister of Manipur, Rishank Keshing, at Sky Hospital, Gaikhangam said he was the first person to abide the principle of one man, one post, and he still firmly believes in the principle. Gaikhangam added that he resigned from ministership in 2005 after party high command appointed him as the president of the state unit. However, he has been serving as the president of MPCC as party high command asked him to look after the party as president until someone fills in.
I would say that it's me in this part of the country to introduce one man, one post principle. Now also I stand by that. I never backed out from that principle. The only thing is that, after this thing, 2012 election, I've been re-inducted in the ministry. So I think I'm here just to fill up the gap. And it is temporary arrangement. Until unless the alternative person comes in, then I just party high command told me to look after the day-to-day affairs of the party affairs. That's why I was just looking after in a temporary basis. My party leaders, they appoint somebody as PCC president.
Veteran politician Rishank Keshing was today visited by Inner Lok Sabha MP Dr. T.H. Maina, Deputy Chief Minister Gaikhangam, along with other MLAs today. The ailing veteran politician is admitted at Sky Hospital at Lamphel. Sky Hospital authorities inform Impact News that the health condition of the veteran politician is improving. The 63rd National Film Awards were announced today. Manipuri film Aibu Suyohanbiu, directed by My Pak Sana Harongbam, won the Best Manipuri Film. Documentary film Auto Driver, directed by Meena Longjam, won the Best Social Film Award. The film shows how a female auto driver based in conflict-torn Imphal city in order to support her ailing husband and 2 sons takes up the profession defying the traditional society. Meanwhile, Megha Chandra Kongbam won the Best Film Critic. Director My Pak Sana expressed happiness at winning the Best Manipuri Film in the 63rd National Film Awards. Speaking to Impact News at Television Cine Foundation at Kasamthong, My Pak Sana said education is needed to make films with in-depth knowledge about his or her own culture and traditions. Mai Paksana said his national award-winning film Aibusu Yauhan Biu is based on a true story of a differently abled child called T.H. Khelemba from Lilong Chajing Bazar, and the film is produced by Living Art Production.
Physical sport tani khangde lyric tani khangde makoi bu aikoina discriminate tawridabani makoi bu khoi matam lebi kibikta makoi jo akoi guna chap manana aikoina wangna thangkala khanbi gademni habigi wakhallol philosophy ji interpretation tawraga aina masida namjagi bani bm sanju na khoigi kesamthong da leiba adu sumangli la da project tawsi na haina rakpadagi aina sum wakhan khanba matamda aikoigi nupi jina sumumbagi concept khali khoi lilong sajing da khelemba ko anga am lei masmai football ga sane na hairapodegi mabu eta unagi na chatpa nataba maita lei chatpa matamda nongju jam ta matamsida moi angang normal physical myam dun maktu da ma mathanda disable wi ma mathanda etan bonje ta pa ta kore ta sanaramani kui na madu pham yeng kan da ingon da mudugi concept ama lakhi madu da asida tawi ani masigi subject da film tawi ani madu da mai true story kharju lejarami madu da ina dramatize tawraga masigi film je same ki bane.
One person was killed while 3 others were injured in an accident at Kabaisoi Mamanglekai in Kabaisoi under Imphal East Police Station. The accident occurred at around 11 this morning. The deceased person has been identified as Muhammad Azmir Khan, also known as Boy Mayangbam, age 24, son of Ayub Khan from Kabaisoi Mamanglekai. According to reports received from the spot, Boy along with others were collecting money from commuters in connection with the Yaosang Sports Festival at Kabaisoi Mamanglekai when a water tanker with registration number MN053744 hit him after hitting 4 vehicles. The water tanker hit 1 Chevrolet Aveo car and 3 Honda Activa. The water tanker crushed a Honda Activa under its wheel and dragged it 20 feet and rammed into a tree. Boy died on the spot while 2 girls riding the Honda Activa and a girl who was standing on the roadside were injured. They were rushed to Jenims. Angry locals torched the water tanker and closed the road for some time. Police personnel of Hengang Police Station rushed to the spot and controlled the situation. Meanwhile, dead body of Muhammad Azmir Khan, also known as Boy, has been deposited at Jenims Morgue. According to family members of Boy, the water tanker has been seized. The driver of the water tanker surrendered himself at Hengang Police Station. The 3 persons injured at the accident were discharged after giving first aid. The Khao Sabong Subdivision Demand Committee KSDDC has temporarily suspended the indefinite band imposed in Churachandpur district. The KSDDC termed the inauguration of controversial Kangwai SDO BDO office by Churachandpur DC as highly sensitive and sentimental issue. KSDDC and local people also announced boycott of T. Manga Waifai, MLA of Henglep Assembly constituency, for betraying his people, undermining the voice of the people who elected him and hurting their sentiments beyond redemption. The committee also said they will never recognize the inauguration of Kangwai SDO BDO office. It said they will not give any cognizance to the SDO BDO, which has been established against the wishes of the people by suppressing democratic voice of the people by the state government. The KSDDC said they will continue the fight for justice. Meanwhile, during the indefinite bandh in the morning, state police arrested 60 bandh supporters. The impact of the indefinite bandh was severely felt at Kwakta along Imphal-Churachandpur Road and Churachandpur district headquarters. The indefinite bandh has been called by KSDDC demanding review of cabinet decision to rename Thangting subdivision as Kangwai subdivision. The committee is also demanding renaming the new subdivision as Khao Sabong subdivision with its headquarters at Khao Sabong.
Manipur administration, government administration sina Khao Sabong area se kon dara bara. Kon ma tara budi mayam gi awa ba jenga mayam gi phanana ba jai phanana ba subdivision ma se thambi hoidana lawra ko matamda ikhang khang hodana lot na ꯈꯪꯋꯥꯏꯗ ꯍꯥꯡꯉꯝꯃꯤ ꯀꯣꯡꯁꯥꯕꯨꯡꯗ ꯁꯕ ꯗꯤꯕꯤꯖꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯅ ꯊꯝꯃꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯕꯗꯤ ꯀꯣꯡꯁꯥꯕꯨꯡ ꯑꯦꯔꯤꯌꯥꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯧ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯒꯦ.
The 5-day festival of Yaotsung Festival ended today with a spectacular Halanka procession today. The Halanka was organized by Sri Sri Govindaji Temple Board at an open field adjacent to the temple at Sri Sri Vijay Govinda Temple at Sagulband. The idols from both Sri Sri Govindaji Temple and Sri Sri Vijay Govindaji Temple were carried in procession to the ground adjacent to the Vijay Govinda Temple. Govindaji Sanapala Holi Pala led around 43 Holi Palas in offering prayers and songs to the idols of Sri Sri Govindaji and Sri Sri Vijay Govindaji.
Halankarsu Tauriba Ada Govinjida Tauriba, Ibumoda Tauriba, Sankirton Tauriba Punama, Masamatani, Habado Utpoena, Asi Masamatani, Ibumoda Zukatariba, Sahi couldn't you and I Isamatani Habado, Saktamdu, Tapina Bagitamakta, Darsan Pibinaba, Adugi the Makta, Ayamba, Pangtori Bato, Karma. Nita Karma Mayam se Pangtok Minakone Hariva. Holy Paladudi, Dol, myself, Ayamba, Manipuri, Lady Vessing, Holy Kalarine, Kaleri Vessing, I do Palalo Shanga, Kanajariaga, Pola, Shang Singina, I see a Charuk Haido, whether when you have it to Mona, don't be Banava.
Halankar concluded with a dance by the young women, the Brajamais from the locality around the Vijay Govinda temple. Dressed in hooded white dresses, the women performed the last dance of the festival, after which the idols of Vijay Govinda and Sri Sri Govinda Ji were returned in procession back to their respective temples, concluding the year's celebration of Yaotsung Festival.
Brajamai Maru Oibase, Srimati Radhika na Sahi Tarahom Dosho Matamda, Kunjada Soka Soki Mayam Sane, Maya Sala Were, Mangi Mangi Mayam, Mabu Sok Vidre. Sri Krishna Pescairo, Punamaxi Kapaga Mangtopir, Mangtopina, Ibuna, Mamma, the Ibi made a Salas Labatonam. Mangani does Zagre, Halankar, and Sita Unisure, Punamagloina Yare.
Isa the lagi tawan tawanina Nungaiva, a wabas of Howie, Nungaiva of Howie, the Ninjava, Magimakada, Yawanina. I didn't but the Tungra is
Yam no I house, taking up the question like Lashutam Bagima Pandalena, 20 Yaga have said Hungde, Azunaka Suti, Tarakba, Chana Matam, the Yabu from Sam Noiba, Pause.
BJP Manipur Pradesh President Thanajam Chawla expressed optimism that the lone Manipuri candidate L. Thoiba Singh, contesting in Assam Assembly election scheduled on 4th of April till the 11th of April, will win the election from his Assembly constituency. Speaking at the press meet held at his office at Netapak Chuthek, T.S. Chawla said L. Thoiba is contesting on BJP ticket from Lakhipur Assembly constituency under Kasar district of Assam. BJP Manipur Pradesh President T.S. Chawla, along with representatives of state BJP unit, campaigned for L. Thoiba in the Barak Valley district, during which they interacted with people of the area. T.S. Chawla further stated that BJP will win the election with huge margin.
Thoibasi maroina mana walk tawjabasi maitei de khoi chatlaga tawru sinabu ahan bo wori magi khoi myam chamina ramasu Assam gi election si amok hena adan noi horipsi Uttarakhand president tor sima khanna madu issue mani moida Congress ke down chatna bagi madu wafam kayamaru away.
A 3-day-long state-level classical solo dance festival began today at the auditorium of Sangeet Kala Sangam, Khurai Lamdong Bazar. The festival is being organized by Sangeet Kala Sangam under the aegis of Ministry of Culture, Government of India. Altogether, 9 artists will showcase different classical solo dance at the festival. Speaking to Impact News, President of Sangeet Kala Sangam and Birendra said they are organizing the festival in order to provide a platform for solo dancers to showcase their talents.
Artist ya national mong amamamdani adu tim mapan mayam pulap saba jagoi sidi man yam phai phati jagoi detect to ngamde only single saba tar yam phajana nana madi phajai phajide habise akoina khangmang ngam koi manipur gi oina artist mayam jigi bating gi demokta moi fanar gi demokta khallaga adu da koi kona jabanida
11 Assam Rifles More under the Military Civic Action Program donated 6 computer sets to all Community Welfare School More. The computer sets were handed by 11 Assam Rifles CO Manoj AP to the All Community Welfare School Chairman V. Shekhar. The function was attended by Border Trade Chamber of Commerce and various communities living in Moreton.
आज के दिन में हर एक चीज़ किसके थ्रू चल रहा है? आपका ट्रेन टिकट बुक करना हो, फ्लाइट टिकट बुक करना हो, एग्जाम का रिजल्ट देखना हो, सब कुछ किसके थ्रू हो रहा है आजकल? कंप्यूटर और इंटरनेट के थ्रू। इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी को सीखो अभी से, ताकि जब आप बड़े होंगे और अच्छी तरीके से अच्छे नागरिक देश के लिए बन सकते हैं। और आप में से कुछ लोग जब आप बड़े होंगे ऐसे छोटे छोटे बच्चों को भी आप सिखाएंगे। इसलिए इसका अच्छी तरह इस्तेमाल करो। आगे भी जो भी हम मदद कर सकते हैं आप लोगों के लिए हम करते रहेंगे।
Irom Chanu Shamila left Imphal this afternoon for Delhi. She will be appearing before the Metropolitan Magistrate Patiala Court, Delhi, in relation to her protest against the Armed Forces Special Powers Act in Jantar Mantar in 2006. Staff of Imphal Jail, doctor and staff of Jenims accompanied her. It's time for a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News.
Manipurgi Ahanba Beautification Center Mapam Sida Mahing Uring Unsa Khoiba Ariba Dakfam Pahan Bangami Tattoo Mole Freckle na Jingbasu Lautok Payai Hakjangi Ahenba Fat Palm Daba Body Hair Lautok Payai Ahanba Lakpiba 100 customer da skin test Amadi doctor consultation Lemna Hingzagan Ngasimag Unaviu Dr. Madhubala Laser Beauty Clinic MZ Avenue Imphal.
Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. A hand grenade exploded at the residence of IFCD Chief Engineer Gurumayum Robindra Sharma last night at Uripok Bachaspati Lekai. The grenade exploded at the gate of Robindra Sharma's house at around 7:15 last night. No one was injured during the explosion. Meanwhile, the locals of the area staged sit-in protests against the incident. The sit-in was staged by locals of Uripok Bachaspati Lekai, Uripok Silam Lekai, Uripok and Haubam Dewan Lekai. On the other hand, members of the United Club and Library and Uripok Women Association of Uripok Khoirak Selhung Balairak also stayed sitting at Community Hall of United Club and Library. The protesters said they condemned the incident of explosion of hand grenade in public area and appealed to all not to repeat such action in future.
Bomb lang chalaga ki gada wadi na te dana. Loina na bomb lang san basina sokadorisi maralay taba sorong sasaba khangja daba yumda sorong apanda walking sasaba missing the soi ayambana nusisana na aina pami ba wakhalon si karino lo se khalaga mioi bagi hingmina bagi value leina hingmina baduna hena maru oi hai ram group na kanana kari gidamakta bomb langsan bireino haibasisu athuba matamda sengdok pirakna ba
yamna nungaitaba thodong ne hai tare ko mi ga soktana khotana toromagadi laibak phabadegi mi di soldre pawdok man nabiraga matungda amon asuma thodose amon lekai thon bigan.
A woman was allegedly beaten by her in-laws and left unconscious near Sajiwa jail. Addressing media persons at Manipur Press Club, the Motilal brother of the woman alleged that the husband and in-laws of woman used to beat her physically and left her unconscious at a place near Sajiwa jail. The woman has been identified as Taurem Ibemcha Devi, age 28, of Patsoi Part 1, wife of Takelambam Mohen from Chinku under Khudrapam Assembly constituency. The Motilal said Ibemcha started suffering from mental illness after having 3 children with Mohen. Ibemcha left her maternal home during Yausung festival to meet her children at her husband's house. However, police informed that Ibemcha was found unconscious at a place near Sajiwa jail at around 5 in the evening yesterday. Motilal added that Ibemcha told them that her husband Mohen and her in-laws beat her mercilessly and left her.
Law chapter matamsida maji anna phim sokpa haidi makhong makhutida akhoi gi dakpham naina akhoi siji huji haigat pa yadre phudat aga leirame nupa mayum jina akhoi da paw mo pibirak mana di macha nungsi na yausang festival ga mari leina mana asa thak khara pura chat pajani ada chat pajida maji nang jang kano angawi nang tor ga maji phubira ga mafam da leirame akhoi ju khangdre the police lak pude khoi ma smai tawre je khangbane mayamba am oina aina nupi angang singda sumaina phu cheraga tawbase akoina pamde adumaina makhoi ail ge bana traga lamdam sti leiriba akhoi gi civil organization khudimangna mating pangbirga hariba nupa mayum sida akoina moi gi punishment khitang akoina pi pame.
4 students, namely Mohammad Shoaib, Mohammad Altaf Hussain, Mohammad Sajad Alam and Mohammad Iqbal Hussain, studying in class 8 and class 9 from Lilong Chingkha Makha, were physically assaulted on the night of 25th of March. The students were allegedly beaten by locals of Iram Sifai when they went to watch Yausang Thabal Chongba. Strongly condemning the incident, the JAC from against the assault of the 4 students has demanded locals of Iram Sifai to bear the medical expenses and take action against the accused persons within 3 days. The JAC is also demanding government action against the accused persons. Councillors of Lilong Municipality Ward Number 1 and 2 members have been boycotted in Lilong Bazaar. General Secretary of Vendors Development Association Lilong Bazaar, Mohammad Firoz Khan, said the councillor and members along with Lilong Police ransacked and dismantled extended portion of some shops at the bazaar on 22nd of March and on 23rd of March. However, the association humbly requested to bring an understanding in the matter and a positive response was expected from the authority. Unfortunately, the councillor and the members again continued to drive today. Mohammad Firoz Khan added in a meeting of the association held at Lilong Bazaar today, and they decided to boycott the councillor and the members for the act.
Hariba vendor sing imai bel iselina wahalaman mayam se koi pumin naraga masi kari tausi ke aina meeting ase pangthok chabani masida miyam na pamdaba thabak councillor sing ase akoi boycott tauba makoi na pambam chinba yadaba akoi ga nena tana matam ga chuni chana ba kathel amoina sengbat sagatpa haiba demand sing ase koi taumin ase haiba warep sing ase laure maram asina kathel manungda changchel laktuna okai tingai ba tauriba councillor sing amadi member sing market asidagi akoi phamiba mayam amadi ngasige sigumlaba kathel asiba thugai na ba tauriba councillor sing boycott taure haiba phire base akoi amatta oina mot lauminare.
109th birth anniversary of Takilamba Bokul, who worked for the revival of Maitai cult, was observed today at Malem Imagi Laiko, Thamalban Cherauching. Contributions of Pukhrambam Surchan and Pukhrambam Ibomcha in the revival of Maitai cult were also remembered at the event organized by Maitai Marup. General Secretary of Maitai Marup, Iromba Megha, said, late Takilamba Bokul contributed in the preservation and promotion of Maitai cult since 1945. And Maitai Marup and the people of Manipur will never forget his sacrifice for the cause.
Muthi Gadaraba Hindustan occupy Tauraba, Lon, Mayek, Nat, Sanabi, Maitai Maruki, the Makta, Popodin, Shiva Bhaugi, Hingba Bhaugi, Maramsa, Laramlan, Tiramle, Ide, Miramlen, Loishu, Nayoba, Larik Mayamsi, Mana Tambiramna, as the Yamna Maru, Grabal, Lipo, Amoina, Mahapu, Ekoi. Mitai Kunai the Yamna Sintaba, Mitai Maruki, Hodo Lokpading as he bow, Magi Lishat the Makada, Mitai Marupusi, Laivani.
7-day residential Kauna Craft and Handloom Weaving Workshop began at the Vocational Training Center of Kasturba Gandhi Institute for Development, located at Jangangai Uchekon. The workshop aims at imparting training on how to make Kauna crafts and handloom products. Art and Culture Director Dr. K. Shushila Devi, among others, took part in the opening of the workshop. Now some sports news. A friendship football match was held between Media Unified FC and Unified Thongju FC yesterday at SWFC Faisal ground at 2:30 in the afternoon. The match was organized by UNESCO Club Manipur under the theme Free from Drug and Promote Integration Through Game Sports. Unified Thongju FC won the match and received 5,000 cash reward. With that, it's a wrap in this edition of Primetime English News. Before we end, a look at the headlines once again. Deputy Chief Minister Gaikangam says he is MPCC President on temporary basis, insists he will stand by the principle, one man, one post policy. 63rd National Film Awards announced. My Pak Sana's Aibusu Yohan Biu wins Best Manipur Film, while Meena Longjump's Auto Driver wins Best Social Film Award. Water tanker rams into 4 vehicles at Khabai Soi Mamang Lekai. 1 man is killed on the spot, while 3 others are injured. Khausabung Subdivision Demand Committee temporarily suspends indefinite ban in Churachampur. Boycotts Hanglep MLA team Manga Wi-Fi for betraying people. And Yaosang Festival comes to an end with Halankar procession at Sri Sri Bijoy Govinda Temple in Sagolban.